Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to use masks and overlays in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and in order to add a text mask, we can just click on Add Elements, and then go to Text, and then go to Text Mask. So from here, we have a bunch of different text masks that we can use, and what they are essentially is that they are just text with some video background. So you can use this to your website to make your website look more dynamic. As you can see, when I hover my mouse over the text mask, they have a bunch of different video backgrounds that you can use. So for example, I want to use this one. So I will just drag this into my website, and then there I have the text mask. And then this is an overlay because it already appears in front of this image gallery. So if you want to change the overlay of your different elements, for example, I want the image gallery to be in front, I can just right click and then click on arrange, and then click if I want to move it forward or to bring it in front. So if I choose move it forward, it is now the front element in my section, and then now the text mask is behind the image gallery. Then if I want to bring this to the front again, I can just do the same thing, and then now I have the text mask in front. If I have like another element, so for example, I will add a new image, for example, like that. So this is now another overlay in my website, and as you can see, it is at the very front. It is at the very front in my section, with the text masks behind it and then the image gallery behind it. So we can change the arrangement of this to adjust the overlay. So for example, I want this image to move to the back, and then now it is behind my text mask. But if I do it any further, so for example, if I move it backward again, it is now behind my image gallery. So you just need to play around with the arrangements if you want some different element overlay in your website. So for example, if I bring this to the back again, I now have this new image element in front of the gallery, but it is still behind the text mask. And then if I change the text mask, if I move it backward, it is now behind the image. So you just need to play around in how you will arrange the different elements inside your website. And then that's it for this video. I hope you learned how to use text masks and overlays, and thanks for watching.